Today on Cooking with Chef Fred, we're going to make a homemade strawberry pie. We went out and got some fresh strawberries from a local farm that we have here, and I'm going to show you how we put that together right now. So first of all, we're going to wash our strawberries. We're just going to take them and put them in a strainer and give them a good spray and wash. Next, we're going to separate the large berries from the small berries because I'm going to use the large berries to decorate the top of the pie with, and then we're going to use the small ones to use in the pie filling. Then we're going to cut the crowns off and just slice up the small berries that we're going to use for the inside of the pie. Okay, there we go. Now we're just finishing up getting these all sliced up. And we've got them all sliced, looking good. Now we're going to take the glaze. Now this is just a store-bought glaze that I have. You can make your own glaze, but we're using the store-bought glaze. And I'm going to use 2 of these because I'm making 2 pies. So we'll use 2 of these inside here. And now we're just going to take and just give this a nice mix so that all the glaze and the berries are mixed up really, really nicely. Now we need to pre-bake our pie shells, so we're just going to dock them. That is simply just putting a fork in them because we don't want them to bubble up and to get all broken into pieces. So we just put our fork in it. This is called docking the pie shell. Then we're just going to put them into the oven and bake them at 400 degrees for about 10 minutes or so. Then we're going to go ahead and take those strawberries that I had left over, the nice large ones, and we're going to slice those up so that they're nice and pretty to go on the top. Okay, and there we go. We've got them all nice and sliced up. They're looking beautiful. And now next we're going to take our pie shells out. We'll just take those and we're going to let them cool off for a few minutes. And once those are cooled off, we'll just take our filling and we will just distribute it between the 2 pie shells evenly. Now here comes the fun part. We get to decorate the pies. We're going to take our strawberries and we're just going to lay them out in a circle motion around and just make them look like a real pretty flower. There we go, our beautiful strawberry pie. Now you'll just take this pie and put it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours and let it get nice and chilled. And check out some of our other great pies. Right here is a playlist. Check those out and make some great pies today. And this is Chef Fred with Cooking with Chef Fred saying, go and cook something great today, and we'll see you on the next video.